video. So, what are these? What's that?
Snake.
Snake?
Yes. Snake food.
Really? What color is this one?
Orange.
No. What color is that? No. What do you want to do? You forgot? You know that.
I forgot this.
Purple.
Purple, and this is from Madagascar.
Uh-huh.
And this one is the paper from Madagascar.
Mm-hmm.
Listen to this song.
Okay. Boy, what do you want to do? What do you want to be when you grow big? When you grow up? Okay. What are you eating?
Mango.
Mango stick? Mango stick. Okay. What do you want to be when you grow big? When you grow what?
Very good.
Uh-huh. Are you going, you want to be what?
Manufacturing.
And,
I president
uh-huh, of,
the United States of
of America. Okay. What else? What else do you want to be? Uh-huh. Let's see. Do you want to be a singer also?
Yes, and I want to be a manufacturer.
Yeah.
And I want to be my customer.
Okay. Like that. Like that. What's your favorite color? Okay. And then,
And then, ito is
ahem. Why are you lying down?
I forgot.
Forgot what?
I forgot.
How old are you? Oh, are you sure?
Oh, get out.
Please?
Please.
Okay.
Ah.
Seriously, how old are you?
10.
Okay. So, want to say hi to Tita Chris? Say hi. Hi, Tita. Hi, Tita Chris.
Hi, Mommy. Mommy, Tita Chris. Hi, Mommy, Tita Chris. Hi, Mommy.
Are you gonna sleep?
Mommy, yes.
Okay. Rest well.
Yes, ma'am. Get out.
Okay.
Mommy.
Please?
Please, water.
Water? Want to drink water?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Okay.